Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Bret. A follow-up to the video you saw on how I use Google Docs in my business. So if you're not familiar with Google Docs and you have a Gmail email address, you get Google Docs for free. So what you have to do is I don't know, I have iGoogle as my home page, but if you don't, however you get to your Gmail once you sign in, which looks just like this, and you sign in to your Gmail account, you can then go to when your email comes up, oh, sign back in real quick, but anyway, when your email comes back up, sorry for a little delay here, but when it comes back up, you will be able to see this up here, and you just click on documents and it will bring you to this page here. So once you get into documents, it's just like Microsoft Office. It has a document, which is like Microsoft Word, presentation, which is like PowerPoint, spreadsheet, Excel, form, drawing, just some pretty cool things. The cool thing about this is it allows you to save everything on the cloud. Where that cloud is, I have no idea, but it's up there and it saves all my stuff, and I can get to it at any time. If any of my computers go bananas or haywire, I can just jump on any computer anywhere and get to my stuff, which is really cool because I keep all of my internet marketing business materials on here. So real quick, here are some of the things that I've worked on. I'll give you some examples. This is a drawing. You can actually create this in here, and I'll do another video on how to do this, but this is just a simple drawing. Like, I use these in a lot of my ads. Everybody's seen the red arrows, and I'll give you a couple of examples. You know, you've seen the red arrows used. This Google Docs, the drawing thing, allows you to do some really cool stuff like that. Here's another one that I've done, just a stop sign, just to give you an idea. This, I don't know why that would be here, but this is the presentation where you can do a presentation like you would in PowerPoint. Although I haven't used this, my last slideshow I created in PowerPoint. Let's see, landing page. I created a landing page, so this will give you an idea of what you can do with the Word portion of Google Docs. You can actually link stuff here too, and it'll carry over sometimes depending on the system. But let's see, here is, like I said, the arrow. Where is the other one I wanted to show you? Not that one. Not that. Okay, guys, where is it at? Let's just do this. Here's what I want to show. This is another. I've been working on this. Generally, when I create my articles or anything that I write or post on my blog, I generate it here because I can format it how I want, paste and copy over there, and I have no problems. This is just something that I've been working on, so I do it in here, so I always have a copy of it. And then the really cool part about this is if you have a team or you have multiple people that you work with, and let's say you're putting this out to a group of people, you can actually send this and share it. And I'll just see if I can get this here. But anyway, you can share it, and you can select people, add people like it says here, and you can share this to them and give them rights to edit. So you can be on the computer simultaneously, 3 or 4 people at a time, talking about this, and then you can edit on the fly with any document. So it's pretty cool. There's a lot of great stuff. I got a couple more things that I'm going to show you on some future videos within Google, because not only do I use the Docs, there are several other applications that I use and I really like, and then I'll do another video of the drawing to show you what I've done in ads. So keep in touch and look for my next video, and thanks a lot, and I hope this helps. We'll talk to you later.